Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix keyboard lag in games on Windows 11 or 10 easy tutorial. So if your keyboard is lagging during gameplay or typing delayed in Windows, here's a simple quick fix that you could try right now. Now first, just head here onto your device manager. Then right after, update your keyboard driver. So find in your keyboards in here. So just go ahead and drop this and then find the keyboard that you're using. Right click onto this and there should be an option to update the driver. Now you could go ahead and choose search automatically for drivers. So this will search automatically for your computer onto the best drivers. So if you have the updated one, it will show something like this. But if you don't have the updated version, it will go ahead and update it automatically for you and you'll just have to restart it right after. So you could also offer this one, the browse my computer for drivers, and let me pick from list. So you could go ahead and try to install the other one in here. Since we're using this one already, just simply click on next and follow the on-screen prompts. So you'll just have to install this manually. Now, if that doesn't work, you could go ahead and try to adjust the keyboard settings. Here on control panel, let's search here keyboard. Then right after we have keyboard here, click onto that. And there should be an option for you to adjust the speed for this. So feel free to go ahead and adjust this as per your liking. We have the repeat delay and the repeat rate. So you could go ahead and try testing it out, or you could see it also in here. And final step is to test the settings and see if it improves performance in games. If you're still having trouble, there's a chance that your keyboard hardware is faulty and you may need a replacement for this. So you could try checking onto that, and that is just basically it on how you could go ahead and fix the keyboard lag in games on Windows 11 or 10. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.